What's going on, guys? Welcome to another video. Today we're just going to be painting the pillars on the inside of my truck. We're going to make another video of me putting some suede headliner in, black headliner in the good old F150. So we're going to paint these pillars black. They match with this, and it goes from gray to black, you know, so we just got to make it all look nice, black all the way at the top. So we're going to just go through and paint all the plastics, and yeah, let's go do this thing, dude.
Guys, so now what you're gonna do is you pop these bad boys off. You just pull them, nothing fancy.
Little 10 mil. Just take these bad boys off on both sides. Alright, so now we got those two guys out. Just pull it. Pull that out, and there's a little tweeter sitting over here. So you just gotta take this out. Oh, boom. Alright, this guy's done. Now we're just gonna go put them on a piece of cardboard, and we'll paint them all when we get them all off. Once you get that off, I'd suggest taking this guy out just so that you don't get any paint, spray paint over it. Just a little Phillips head. We're using a flat head though, just why not? Got that one. And this one. And then boom, this guy will fall out. Just put this in a nice safe area, dude. Yeah.
So once you got the two front ones off, we're jumping to the back now. Gotta fucking pop those suckers off like same as the front. And we're gonna start with the fucking handle, just the handle.
So once you get it off, we're actually gonna leave these bad boys in there and just close them back up, because whenever we paint them, you know, it's easier to not lose the bolts, you know, because they're still in there, they're gonna stay in there, and we're gonna paint over this anyways. But then whenever I hang them up, I'll probably just hang it from this bolt anyway. So but yeah, that'll come off, and we're gonna work on this big bitch. So we kind of just went ahead and started taking stuff apart to get to the seatbelt, and this whole black thing only has clips on it. So this thing comes out. There is a black little tab right here, and you just pull that out, and then this wire right here where the seatbelt connects to slips through there, and then this whole black piece can come out. Once you have this black piece out, right, this thing you have to maneuver around this, unless you want to take this whole thing apart, which I didn't. I just put it right here, and you want to just maneuver it around this part right here. Just move this out of the way, and this will slip down like this. The next, we're just going to get the seatbelt disconnected and take it out. All right, guys, so pretty much all we had to do was undo this top one. So if you just take this, pull it out, you can slide it down, and then you take out this top bolt, and then you just twist this whole thing, and it comes out like that. Then you can just slide this whole bastard up. But yeah, so you don't really need to take out the whole bottom piece, but hey, it's already out, so why not? Sorry if we fucked some of you guys up, but you know, that's just the way the world works, dude. You just gotta mess up to fucking learn. But yeah. All right, guys, now that you see we got them all hung up, these are all the gray pieces that were inside. We're just gonna go ahead and clean them all up a little bit, you know. If there is any rough spots on there, don't feel free to sand down a little bit of them, you know. Just keep it clean, you know, so that it looks factory. So yeah, we're just gonna clean these bad boys up a little bit. Let it soak on there for a little bit. No, because I've actually never cleaned the inside on these, so they're gonna be dirty. We hung them up from these spots. You guys can go ahead and copy those if you want to. If you don't give a fuck. Little handles, dude. Yeah. We'll just start scrub-a-dub-a-dubbing. We just got them all painted. We're just gonna let them dry for a second. That's the first coat. We got 2 cans of this. Got this from AutoZone. AutoZone, it was like 13 bucks each, so I just got 2 cans, you know, just in case. Yeah, we're gonna let this dry. This is the first coat. It looks pretty good so far. It honestly doesn't, I don't see any things that I messed up on. So yeah, first coat's done. We'll let it dry for a second, get the second coat, then we'll install it.
Alright guys, so we just got down here to Walmart. We're heading over to the automotive side of this place. Gonna go get some fucking glue for Mikey's headliner. Yeah.
What do you think about that, Aiden?
I think it's gonna be pretty good.
All right, guys. So we just got back to the shop. We already took off the headliner stuff, so we got this left. We're just gonna it's all in there. But yeah, we got the new suede, and yeah. All right, so pretty much I just watched a video on how to do this because I've never done this before, and they're saying fold it in half. You know, spray this whole thing, and then spray this whole thing this side, and then you just want to put it over, and then just work your way out, get all the creases, and then let it do the same other side, and you just try and hope for the best here. So we'll see what this looks like after we do it for a little bit. Alright guys, we got both sides sprayed. Now we're just going to flip it over. And then there's a little cloth piece that I got. You just want to cut it out of a corner. You want to use this to smooth it out. You don't want to use your hand because there's oils and stuff that could fuck up this suede. So you want to use a little piece like this. Start from the middle, go out. You just start going, hope for the best.
And guys, so we just got that fucking side on. Now we got Michael spraying the other side, about to get that laid down. Once we get that laid down, you guys can see it all laid down. And yeah, you know, stay tuned.
So we got it done. Check it out. Let's check it out over here. Keep in mind, dude, first timers, okay? Never done it before, but hey, we fucking got her done. So now we're gonna have to sandwich this fucker back up and fit it in. Put all the shit back together. So yeah, just gotta make space. Kind of plan on sandwiching it right here, right? Push it that way, let that side up, let that side up. And then we're just gonna have to slap it back in, plug all the shit back in. Yeah, hopefully it'll be easy. Hopefully the suede doesn't get fucked up. Because if it does, long hours. Alright, it's all you, Mikey. Hold up. Oh! It's a lot flimsier too now. Wait, you have to make sure that this stays over this way. Yeah.
You almost sandwiched this bitch.
We just fucking did it just like that, dude. Oh yeah, brother. Okay, now you gotta plug that sensor back in. Nothing plugs into these, right? No. Nothing can plug into those. Fucking rushing. She ain't going in, Mikey. Oh wait. She's in. And now. You got these sensors over here too?
Alright guys, so we're doing a late night Facebook run now. We're here with fucking Aiden.
Yep.
Kid wants some fucking wheel lights. Kid wanted the fucking wheel lights though.
We got them. We picked them up.
I went and got them, so next fucking video, you guys are gonna know. You guys are hang on. So next fucking video, you guys are gonna see us putting these bitches on the fit gen.
Yep. Next video. Maybe tomorrow, next day. Who knows when we're gonna make another video.
Legit.
Guys, so we got her done. Got all the pillars in. Got the suede in. All the way back. These are still these plastics are still gray, you know, obviously, but that'll be hard to do because we got to tape out or something. I'll probably just buy a thing of these. Yeah, we ended up painting the mirrors black so it all fits together. But yeah, hope you guys liked the video. Make sure to like, subscribe, send it to a friend, and be ready for some more cool videos, dude.